There has been a lot of bad news in the market, but recent reports from CoinGecko suggest otherwise. The market capitalization of cryptocurrencies hit a low of $903 billion in July, but it significantly recovered in Q3 and rose to $1.2 trillion in August. In light of this, CoinGecko has published a study on the condition of the digital asset market during the third quarter of 2022. The report shows a quieter climate than in the first and second quarters. The most noteworthy part of the recent release is how the market capitalization of cryptocurrencies experienced a heartening recovery. According to the research on July 19, the market capitalization of cryptocurrencies fell to a low of $903 billion. However, it significantly improved in Q3, rising to $1.2 trillion in August, a $100 billion increase compared to the end of the previous quarter. The good news in this study is that, except for USD, Bitcoin has outperformed other assets. Despite experiencing some volatility in Q3, Bitcoin performed well against other asset classes, with the exception of the US dollar index. Although Bitcoin had a price deficit of just 1% after the third quarter versus US stocks, it nevertheless managed to make a tremendous comeback. The dismal performance of stablecoins is another of the report's most significant findings. The top 15 stablecoins had their market cap decrease by 3%. The decline is plausible given that the USDC market fell by 16% when the U.S. Office of Foreign Assets Control banned Tornado Cash. However, BUSD benefited from USDC's losses as its market cap increased by 18%. Additionally, Binance's launch of the BUSD auto-conversion coincided with this favorable development for the BUSD. The DeFi market cap, on the other hand, increased by 31%. The fact that most DeFi initiatives recovered from their shortcomings reflect a commendable improvement in the figure. Furthermore, decentralized exchanges continue to be the main element of DeFi. And talking about NFTs, the overall NFT market was impacted by a decline in trading volume across the top 5 NFT marketplaces, including OpenSea, Magic Eden, Luxrare, etc. As a result, the industry's trading volume fell by 77%, setting a new low for 2022. And as we examine the whole crypto sector, how can we not discuss Ether, the biggest altcoin? You can see this chart from a pattern perspective where Ether USD monthly price action could hold onto a trend line forming the lower boundary of a massive rising wedge. Adding in potential Elliott wave labeling, there is room in the wedge for wave 5 to materialize. If not, the wedge pattern could be at risk of breaking down. Down to where? No one really knows. Furthermore, Elrond and Aptos have been the talk of the town recently with their price action and new listings. Launched a day ago in most crypto exchanges, Aptos experiences massive price fluctuations, and Elrond trades at a 4% profit in 7 days and a 20% profit in 30 days. Additionally, as we stated earlier, Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies would probably keep moving sideways during the ensuing weeks. The surges in volatility for EGLD, APT, and tokens going viral on social media may be prolonged by this sideways price movement. In this regard, data from Sentiment indicated an increase in the discussion rate on Twitter, Telegram, and other platforms. Retail traders have been writing on social media about these cryptocurrencies, which has increased interest in volatility, which you can also see in the chart on your screen. Additional data from material indicators support this thesis. Retail traders have been watching as Elrond ups the frequency of its social media posts. Traders are putting bids into the price movement of EGLD with buy orders ranging from $100 to $1,000. But on shorter timescales, Bitcoin is also losing steam. The price of EGLD is encountering significant resistance at the moment, as can be seen in the chart. Selling volume is increasing, making it difficult for this cryptocurrency's price to continue its upward trend. Elrond and Aptos price fluctuations and rallies may be brief, while more significant cryptocurrencies remain sideways. However, Bitcoin and Ether can become unstable if many traders invest in these coins. An anonymous trader claimed that the volatility and rising involvement of APT would deplete the liquidity of other trading pairs. For more well-known cryptocurrencies, this price action causes an abrupt change in price direction, which may become the norm while the market lacks a clear path. And finally, let's break another story. According to Walmart's global chief technology officer, crypto assets and the metaverse will revolutionize payment systems and enhance product discovery. Suresh Kumar, Walmart's global chief technology officer and chief development officer, claims that crypto transactions for both physical and virtual goods are part of the future of retail in a recent interview at Yahoo Finance's All Markets Summit. Additionally, he predicts that product discovery will rise in online environments like live broadcasts and the metaverse. In addition to this, Kumar also believes that digital assets will disrupt the retail business by providing an alternative form of payment, which could cause some sellers to struggle to find a way to accept them. So what do you think? When will Walmart start accepting all the major cryptocurrencies? Let us know in the comment box below. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so. Till our next video, stay savvy.